It is really a great honor and privilege to be part of the Sparkle GMA Artist Center. It's an answered prayer. Maraming salamat sa GMA Kapuso, kay Boss kay Chairman Cozon, kay Sir Bobby, of course, ang ating napakabait, napagandang Ma'am Anet, kay Ma'am Joey, kay Sir Manny, kay Ma'am Jenny, sa aming Sparkle GMA Artist Center family. Maraming pong salamat sa pagtanggap. I'm so happy din na may bago na akong tahanan. Maraming salamat po sa Sparkle